Hi guys, HackerKid here, and in today's video we are going to make this honeycomb from Squid Game. So I'll just give you a quick demo, and as soon as I step off this, the cracks start increasing and this honeycomb gets cracked, and if I keep on going then and reach this I win. But if I don't and I lose, so what will happen is in front of you. Game over. So let's do this. Okay, so first we'll go to costumes, delete this, paint a new one, and we'll call it honeycomb. We don't need this either. So this is the base of our honeycomb. We will set its Y, or actually I'll make this a bit bigger. And if I make this bigger, then I need to make its outline also bigger. Yep. So we'll name this base and create a new sprite. You can make basically anything, like a star, umbrella, but I'm going with a circle to keep things nice and easy for us. So let's set its Y to 0 and X also to 0, and its X to 0 and Y also to 0. Yep, so now you can see we have this, and now what we'll do is we'll paint a new sprite. So this would be the pin I use. So I'll make this gray. So that should about do it. And to make things a little more harder for us, we will select this and set its outline only to 11. So now it should be harder for us to keep track. And now we'll go here, name this circle. And we'll say when flag clicked, we'll go to this, send it here as well, but instead of 0 0, here we'll keep it where it is. So now we want it so that if this black thing is not touching this and touching something else, so then our crack should increase. So for that we first rename this variable to cracks, and we'll set cracks to 0 forever. If we are not touching our sprite group, then what we wanted to do is increase cracks. We'll show this, change cracks to I1, wait 0.01 seconds. So actually it's way too fast. So I'll set the 0.04. Still way too fast, but let's set this to 0.009. Yeah, I guess that's fine because it's not actual honeycomb and it's easy to come from here to here. So what now we'll do is we'll go to this and actually we'll go to the base and duplicate this and take these and start making cracks. Yep, so now we have all these costumes. So what we'll do is, I still think it's very fast, so we'll say 0.2 seconds. Is that fine? No, I still think I think it's way too slow. So let's just keep it 0.1. Yeah, now I guess the speed is right. So we first go here, set the costume to 1. We say when flag clicked, go backward 2 layers and we set this to backward. And then if cracks equals let's say 14, then we say next costume and then we'll drag here forever. No, actually not next costume, we'll say switch costume to honeycomb 2 and now we'll duplicate this and set this to 24, equal 3, 32, honeycomb 4 and so on. Yep, so now we have this huge line of code, and what we will do is we'll go to sprite 2, say forever if mouse down then go to mouse pointer. So now let's see if it works. Yeah, so we can see it's cracking. Yeah, so what we will now do is we'll go here, go all the way here, and when it's 100 we want it to stop all, change the background to game over, and it's white so you guys can't see it. game over. Lisa G capital, O capital. Let's put it down. Yep. So here I will import a Squid game background. Now you can see it. So what we'll do now is, I want it small right over here. Yeah. So now we'll go here in the code, and before stop all we wanted to say switch backdrop to, and right here switch costume to honeycomb and switch backdrop to squid. Hello. Now we have this, we can do this. But you know the problem is it's not going as fast. Even if the player roams around like this, you can just go like this and come before the game is over. So what we want to do is change, we'll set change that to. But then the problem would be that we can't get the odd numbers, so we'll just change by 1. We'll put here 0, 7. .05. Yes, I think this is fine. So the player should also fear that their game will die if they don't. So now we have this working honeycomb, but the only problem is that we need to make this so that the player comes here and then the game is over. So then what we'll do is we will paint a sprite, quite literally paint it, and then we'll drag it to the middle. And what we want to do is keep it here, right over here. So now when we save this, we'll go here and say when flag cleared, go to this place, and then forever if touching sprite 2, then we want it to say game over. But see, the problem is now if I just come here, then it's also technically counted as touching. So what I want to do is we'll go here, and make it shorter. Yeah. So I think now it should work. And we'll go to sprite 1, touching sprite 2, then we wanted to say stop all, and then then we want to paint, and then we want to do that. So we say you win. Its fill is still nothing. Yep, so now we can see this, and I think our game is ready. So now the only problem is the background isn't switching. So now if we just say over here, switch to backdrop 1, then it should work. Yep. Now we can see this. And so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's see you in my next video.